honey, the locks is thriving, baby, thriving. I have a little bit of bad news, just a little bit, not too bad. Hello, honey gang, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back, honey. If you have not already subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, join the honey gang, and hit the bell next to it so that you are notified every time I upload. You guys, we are at 15 months. This video is going to be my 15-month lock update, you guys. Honey, the locks is thriving, baby, thriving. I want to say they're about all fully locked to the ends at this point. We still got some soft ends, but for the most part, they are fully locked to the ends. So I have a little bit of bad news, just a little bit, not too bad. So this is going to be my last lock update for a cool minute. I've done straight monthly 15 months of lock updates, and I feel like now I'm at a point to, or in my lock journey, to where it'll just be repetitive at this point. There's not really too much going on. They're locked to the ends for the most part, and now we're just gonna be them getting more solid, not as soft, and growth is all that's going to be happening now going forward. So I don't know when I'm going to do my next update. I don't know if I'm going to do it like every 3 months, every 6 months, or in a year when I get to like 2 years. I don't know what I'm going to do. But I did want to let you guys know that, so that you know going forward that there won't be any more monthly lock update videos until something happens or I feel like it's time to share another monthly update. But getting into this month, let me let y'all see what it's looking like. I got the same hairstyle that I did last month. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is going to be my go-to. So not too much has really changed from last month. I have seen a little bit more growth since last month, but you can't really see it now because I wear my bonnet to bed and it kind of curls up my ends. But something that is new, I've started using a new product. And remember I told y'all in my last few updates that I went back to the basics and I started using the products that worked on my natural curly hair, and that was a game changer for my locks. So remember I told y'all I use this shampoo and conditioner for my locks, and it really works good. Well, I was wanting a little more shine, a little more sheen, you know what I'm saying? And so I got this right here. I used to use this on my curly hair as well, and I absolutely love it. I just bought it, I just started using it, and I'm really loving it. So yes, y'all, I really love that. So that's really the only new product I've been using. Other than that, I still use my tea tree oil and water for my scalp. Loctician didn't have any issues with my scalp. Scalp is looking really good. So I'm happy about that. I'm loving this style. I think I may try some other styles, but I'm not sure. We'll see. And if you guys watch my other videos, my vlogs, honey, you'll see the hairstyles, since I won't be doing any more monthly lock update videos. Now, something else I was thinking about for my locks. My birthday is next month in January. Baby, I was thinking about getting some color. I was thinking about just some color, and I want to go like a deep purple. You know, my favorite color is purple. But I'm scared because I don't want to bleach my hair. I really do not want to bleach my hair, and I just don't know how I feel about it. I've had my hair bleached once before and tried to do color, and it didn't really work out so well. If I had pictures, I'm gonna insert them in the video right here, but it was on my natural hair and it didn't work out so well. I went to a professional and it kind of like, I had leave out, like that's what it seemed like, because it broke off. So it was really short and I had to regrow my hair out. So this is all fresh, brand new hair, never had any chemicals on it, never had nothing. And so I'm scared to, you know, bleach it or do anything to it. So if y'all have any suggestions, any ideas, if y'all have bleached y'all locks before, y'all let me know. I know they're more mature now. We're over a year in, but I still feel like, I don't know. And my lock assistant said she can definitely do it. If I want to get it done, just let her know. She did tell me she could do a like a red violet color without having to do bleaching, and I'm gonna insert a picture of that so y'all can see what she's talking about with that. But I don't know if I really want that. I really want my purple, so I don't know. I have to make up my mind about that, or if I'm just gonna keep, you know, my natural hair color. I know they have like what's the word, temporary color or whatever you want to call it. And I know they have like the wax stuff and all that. I don't really want to do all that in my locks. I feel like my hair is very sensitive, and I low-key want to just leave her alone, but I also want to have some fun too, and I want to have some color. So I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think down below. If y'all have bleached your hair, how it worked out color-wise and all that good stuff. So y'all let me know about that. So yes, you guys, there's that. Now there is one last thing that I wanted to do for my 15-month lock update, since this is going to be the last monthly update for a cool minute. I wanted to count my locks so that we can see where we are at 15 months in versus when I counted them during the beginning of my lock journey. So let's do this. All right, we got 1, 2, 3. Should I turn around? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where should I go next? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This has all been counted. I'm gonna put a rubber band on this child, so this is 26. It's kind of hard because I forgot my hair is in a style. So that's 26, y'all. 26. That's in there. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, That's all of those. So we had 44 on this side. Y'all, this is a little more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. So 44 with this. Okay, y'all, so we're picking up from 44. So 45. Let me start up there. Let me see. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Alright. So that in the back is 79. So let me... How many likes y'all think I got? How many likes y'all think I got? Alright. Alright. Hey, how many likes y'all think this is up here? Good grief. Woo, child. Okay, 70, we're at 79. So I'm gonna just pull these out. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Baby, what? We still got over 100 locks? Okay, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, woo-wee, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38! 138 locks? How do I have more locks than when I started? Which is interesting, because y'all know in other lock videos, I showed where she combined in the back. But like, I don't know if she's starting new ones in the front. Like the front, child, I have 4 more locks than in the beginning of my journey. Because I think I started off with 134 locks. And now I got 138. What the hell? Anywho, I ain't tripping because, you know, as long as we look good, we thick and got volume, honey, I ain't tripping on it, okay? I thought it was gonna be less. Like, I thought it was gonna be less locks because I knew she had combined. But child, we have more. What the hell? if y'all guess right, let me know down below. I have 138 locks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 15-month lock update. Like I said, I don't know when I'll be doing another one, but child, watch my vlogs, honey, because you're going to get all the tea over there. You don't know what's going on over there, okay? So yes, y'all, I love you guys so much. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you're at in your journey, what you got going on, honey, and what y'all think about that color, okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.